welcome back to your own channel Bal Vigyan Bharti with Avilash Sarkar. Now we are progressing on the profit and loss. In that we have we have already covered the theory part. We are proceeding on solving problem and we have reached till 12. So as per the custom of this channel, we always used to also use solution of 50 numbers. So we will proceed to the next one, that is 13. 13 says a dealer incurs a loss of 5 5% if he sells an article for rupees 1805. What price must he sell the article so as to gain 5% on that article. Now, the first method could be that you solve this problem in the way that for the first information, the selling price of the first transaction is given 1805. Loss incurred, percentage loss is 5%. So from there, the cost price you can easily get it by the formula SP is equal to SP by 1 minus loss percentage. Okay, percentage loss. So once you will get that, how will do that? 1805 divided by 1 minus loss percentage 5. So 0.05, you can write it here. 1805 divided by 0.95. So how much it is? 5 1 5 9 5 3 5 6 5 1 19. So that will be 19. So this is the cost price, and for the second one, sales price is equal to 1 plus profit percentage of profit into sales price, cost price. So percentage of profit is given again 5%. So 0.05 into cost price 1900. So that is 1.05 cross 1900. So this will be 5995, then 19 again. So this much. So this is the one way. Or if you can look at it into very keen way, then this can be written as the final sales price equal to the sales price, this is final sales price equal to the initial sales price divided by 1 minus loss percentage into 1 plus profit percentage. That can be written. So you can write 1 plus P. If I don't write the percentage, the formula, now ultimately this will be changed into fraction 1 minus L into SP1. If it is SP2, I can consider means second selling price. CP, not SP. This is the CP. So second, if it is a condition where first case it is a loss, then it is profit, or otherwise if it is the reverse one, first case it is a profit and you need to know the loss if it is how much. So then case the equation will be just reverse, 1 minus L by 1 plus P into CP. Okay, if it is reverse. Now for this case, this is the answer. What would be the selling price final to calculate when you will make profit? Understood? So first case he has made a loss, and in second case you want to get something, so this will be the case. Okay, then you can put the direct formula 1 plus 0.05 divided by 1 minus 0.05 into CP will give you the result. That means 1.05 divided by 0.95 into 1805 with the CP. Now if I calculate 5 to 1, 5, 19 and 19, then 19 by 18, 1805, how much it is? Almost 19, 0 will be there, 9, 19, 9 times 81, 17, and then 9, 5, 13. So that will be 9 time there in 171, 9, 5 and 19, 5, 95. So this will be the case where 95 into 21 you have to multiply, will be 5, 9, 5 to the 10, 9 to the 18, 19. So you see the answer is 19, the earlier case. So you can put it like that. This will be the direct formula when if this case is comes to your in front of you, you can solve it directly. So remember, the first case is profit. The profit will be first will be loss, so loss will be there in the bottom, and second will be profit, and sales price is there in the left hand side, cost price. So this way the same thing, but I am putting it in such a form that you can solve it in at once and need not to calculate twice at it. So this kind of thing you can also make yourself if you concentrate enough on the problem. So moving on to the problem number. Now this is problem number 14. It says a shopkeeper purchased two varieties of rice, one at 13.5 13.5 of quantity 80 kg and other at 16 of quantity 120 kg. He mixed it and sold it at a profit 16%. Find selling price. Okay, so you can say you can see that there are two prices given for different quantity of rice mixed then being sold, but this profit is given on the mixture. So that percentage cannot be calculated from any of the uh, cost price of the individual rice, because this is a price given for a particular rice, this is a price given for a particular rice, but this is a wholesale price of the mixture, wholesale profit on the mixture. So from this equation, from this information, I cannot directly calculate the selling price, as we usually do. The cost price plus into 1 plus profit will give you the sale price, but this case it will not happen. So what we will do, first the quantity is, for first case is 80, price is 13.5 per kg. For second quantity Q2 it is 120 kg, and the price P2 is 16 per kg. We are mixing, so that means whatever the, and the complete price, you can say complete price for the first one, the total price, total cost price for first one, it will be 80 into 13.5, so that is this much rupees he has consumed for purchasing the first one, and that of cost price 2 will give you by multiplying this. This is now, if the complete price is being added, so that is consumed on the total quantity being added. So that means Q1 plus Q2 is purchased, that means 200 kg is purchased by 80 plus 80 into 13.5 plus, so this is very true, you cannot deny on this, that complete quantity is purchased by this. So this will become how much? 13.5, 8, 40, 28, 0 plus 2, 390, that means 3000, and it is, so that means 200 kg of complete rice he has paid of 3000 rupees. So from there, the cost price for final transaction, that means the mixture when he is selling, the cost price will be 3000 by 200, that will give you 15. Now if it is there, so ultimately the profit is given as 16%. Now this profit is made on this price, this is the cost price for the last transaction. So selling price will be 1 plus profit into cost price, that is equal to 1 plus 1.16 into 15, so that is 1.16 into 15, so that will give you 90, 15 into plus 9 is equal to 24, 2, 14, 2, 17. So 17.5, this is the cost, this is the selling price. Okay, so this is the case, first case. Now this could also can be done in a single step. How? Let's say I am assume that cost price for mixture is M, let's say. So what we can say, we can write 13.5 into 80 plus, that is the price for purchasing first kind of rice, 16 into 120 is equal to, this is the cost for second price, is equal to the quantity added into the cost price, assumed price. So this M can be directly calculated by this formula. So if I put it in formula, price 1 quantity 1 plus price 2 quantity 2 divided by quantity 1 plus quantity 2 will be the cost price for the mixture. Can I say that? This also is written in a in a presentation where we will discuss the unitary method, because this transaction are unitary, because cost and product are related in direct or indirect relation. Means if uh, if for the total quantity, if I say the price for quantity, let's say 1 kg costing X price, then 10 kg will be the multiple of that price. This is unitarily related. Okay. Now, if it is unitarily related, it will follow the unitary method. In that case, what we'll do, we will represent it like the price will be written side by side, m will be at middle. What will this will be the cost price for the mixture when the things is been mixed, and respective quantity will write it here. So when you represent it in the formula, it will be represented as, let's say this is the median price, so that means this is the median between these two. So definitely if it is the less one, so this will be lesser than this, we will assume like that. So m will be more than that, so 13.5, m minus 13.5, and what I will do here, 16 minus m will write in the denominator. This ratio must be same as the ratio with what we did first, this one. So this respective value will come here. Means when we will do that, the same thing will follow here diagonally. This will come there, then we'll do here diagonally. So 80 will come here. Okay. This also can be established from this formula. How will I do that? From here also this can be established. How? Let's see. This, if I elaborate, it is 80 into m plus 120 into m. Okay. Now I'm not going to the formula directly. So 80, if it is brought here, so it will be 13.5 minus m into 80. You can write it. This if I brought this side, and this I will put it that side. This will be multiplied with m. So if I take 120 common from there, it will be m minus 16. Now if we reverse that, m, as it is median, m must be more than, we are assuming more than 13.5 and less than 16. So that can be reversed and can be written like that. Now if I bring it here, m minus 13.5 divided by 16 minus m is equal to 120 by 80. So this you can see that formula, that form is same as this one. So when we will talk about the unitary method, and if the variables are related in unitary method way, so we can solve it like that. But think that you have to understand what is what to be write. So the respective values will be written in at, means in the same line. Means if it is the cost price of the first rice, this is the cost price of the second rice, and this is done in case of a mixture. Means when we will mix two different quantity and sell it. So for that relation, this could be used to solve that. Otherwise, the in first case what I have shown can be done in an analytic method. You go mix the quantity. You can use the formula to get the cost price is equal to price 1 quantity 1 plus price 2 quantity 2 divided by the total quantity. That will give you the cost price of the mixture. Okay. Once you will get it, you will get the other information easily. Understood? Okay. It needs some time to explain all this, so that's why I'm not able to move fast. Maybe 2 or 3 problems I'm solving a day. But keep patience, it will help you in your academic life definitely. Gives us for each kg m and sold the watch of into the or again this also I sold. So anyway, again the shopkeeper gives a successive discount at the surplus. Okay, now number 15. This is on the discount, that's why I am bringing this for you. A shopkeeper gives two consecutive or the successive discount, it is related as successive discounts of 20% and 10% on surplus stock and 10% on surplus stock. Okay, surplus stock means the stock which has not been sold when he is selling his produced items or the complete items brought in. So this is the surplus items, he sold that one in consecutive discount. Okay, when it is not being sold in the price he has fixed for first instance. So further he also gave 5% extra discount. Further he also gives a 5% extra discount on cash payment. Okay, if a person buys a shirt from a surplus stock, if a person buys a shirt from the surplus stock and pay cash, what overall discount percent will he get? What overall percent of discount he will get on the shirt? Okay, so this is the, but whatever with the jargons or the extra language being used, the main or the prime information is that the person who is purchasing the shirt from the surplus stock is getting 3 consecutive discount. So that is the main thing. The first discount is 20%, then 10%, then further on cash purchase. But whatever mode he is paying, he is getting discount. Either he is paying online or any other transaction mode, he is getting only to give a twist. He has added this pay in cash, but ultimately he is getting discount. That is the case. So the discount one is 20%, discount 2 is 10%, and the information is discount 3 is 5%. So ultimately he will pay after getting those all discounts. So the discount is given on the market price. Okay, so market price, so that means at the price he is supposed to sell it, then only he is giving discount. So that market price with the sale price, how it is related? This, for the case of sell price, when it is marked as a market price after discount, sell price, to remember the formula if you have forgotten, so sell price will always is a lesser price than the market price. So that definitely 1 minus D1, 1 minus D2, 1 minus D3. This is the simplest thing to be remembered. All discounts will consecutively deducted from 1 and will be multiplied. And when you will, where you will write SP, where you will write market price, because as you know the SP, the selling price for in case of market price where discount is being considered for the transaction, selling price is less than the market price. So this will be the a thing that has to be conceptually or with your common sense you can also establish. But thing is that you have to remove the main thing where these factors are multiplied and this factor is being calculated from is from 1, because 1 is considered to be the 100%. D, if it is fraction, when you do the percentage you have to divide with 100, so that means 1 is always a 100. Okay, so this thing has to be in mind always. So now D1 I'll put it in a fraction form. This will be 1 minus 20% means 0.2, 1 minus 10% 0.1, and it is 1 minus 5% on 0.5 into MP. That means a soft over 2 consecutive. Now here market price is not written in this information. The market price is not written. So when you find the discount, so discount, the overall discount. So if I say overall discount is how much? Overall discount, how you calculate? Market price minus the final sales price divided by the market price, isn't it? So that means 1 minus sell price, final means sales price, ultimate, all that discount will be this one. Now this is what? This is your SP upon MP, isn't it? And now if you calculate this, then if we deduct from 1, so you will get the final. So this is 0.8 into 0.9 into 0.95. So this will be the case. Now you calculate 0.8 into 0.9, that is equal to 72 point, and 0.95 will multiply 5 to the 10, 35, 36, and to the 18, 163, 164. Now if I add it, 7, 8, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0.684. So this will be 0.684. Remember this. Now if it is 0.684, the ultimate discount will be how much? The final discount will be 1 minus SP by MP, isn't it? So this is equal to 1 minus 0.6840 into, if I do 100, that will be the percentage. It will be the percentage is equal to how much? 613 point into 100, that means 31.6%. This will be the answer. Okay, so here I will end it. In next video, if I get any variety, then I will move to solving more problem. Otherwise I will end it up here, because there could be all along this similar problem will come. I am not saying it is over, but if not, I am getting the different problem, I will end it here, or else I will take one more class on this problem solving. Then after I will move on to the new subjects. So thank you for now. Keep watching and try to subscribe more, so that more people can be privileged. Thank you.